Should government officials be held responsible for addressing climate change? A group of Oregon teens and college students think so.
And now their 2011 lawsuit filed against state lawmakers may be headed to the Oregon Supreme Court. This as a similar lawsuit against the federal government awaits a trial date. Fox 12's MARJA Martinez is speaking with that young woman behind both suits. She joins us live with what that Eugene native is hoping to achieve. MARJA?
Well, at a meeting held here at the Multnomah building, she said that her goal is simple. It's to hold lawmakers both at the state and federal level accountable for preserving public resources and reducing carbon emissions.
We are seeing the effects of climate change firsthand as young people growing up in this beautiful state of Oregon.
Kelsey Juliana was born and raised in Eugene. Her middle name, Cascadia, honoring her Pacific Northwest roots. But she says home is not what it once was.
From our coastlines to our high mountain ranges, we're seeing in our valleys.
Severe wildfire seasons, polluted rivers, and less winter snow on our mountaintops, Juliana says, are the reason why she and 3 others sued the state of Oregon in 2011.
This is the time now more than ever to act on the urgency of climate change.
The lawsuit, Chernak v. Brown, argues that state lawmakers, including Governor Kate Brown, have a legal obligation to preserve natural resources. And although the Oregon Court of Appeals recently ruled against them, today the group filed an appeal for Supreme Court review, and Multnomah County leaders are now backing them.
We support the young people who are asking Oregon's highest court to review the Court of Appeals decision.
Juliana has also taken the fight to the federal level, filing a separate suit against the U.S. in 2015 alongside 20 other youth from around the country.
The United States is accountable to 1/4 of the world's global emissions. We only hold 4% of the global population.
Together, they're demanding the U.S. address climate change, claiming the inaction of U.S. leaders is violating their constitutional right to life, liberty, and property. Juliana says it's not a partisan issue, and despite the odds they're facing, she's confident they'll succeed.
There is no plan B.
The U.S. government has made several attempts to have that case dismissed to no avail. However, there is still not a trial date set in that case. Now, as far as the state case goes, well, now that they've filed for the Oregon Supreme Court to review the case, that doesn't necessarily mean they will, because the Supreme Court justices get to choose which cases they review. The students say despite whatever they decide, despite the outcome, they are planning a worldwide school walkout in support of climate action, and that'll be held on March 15th. They'll be meeting at City Hall at 11 in the morning. Reporting live in Portland, MARJA Martinez, Fox 12 Oregon.